We're going to rerun your tests from about 2 months ago, and we're going to put it in this. With this unit, we're going to use a 4 millimeter screen unit, so it's a much smaller screen, so you get a much smaller particle size. But in addition to when you put in a smaller screen, your throughput's going to drop a bit on the unit as well. So we have the parts here. What we're going to do is we're going to load them up one by one, or handful by handful. Then we're just going to dump the box in there and show you the results of it. And again, we're running this on a A3040. It's a 10 horsepower unit. I'm just going to turn her on. Ready? I'll give you a view of what it looks like in there. Any issues processing. We're going to now dump in this box right here. Show you what it does. It is more likely how your employees are going to dump it in. They're going to put it all in there at once. The machines have a no problem processing one box at a time. And here's the materials coming out. Much smaller size than the last time. These are the 4 millimeter screen. You have no issues with heat. Nothing really building up in there. What we're going to do is we're going to run it. And then we're going to put the second box in. In a couple of minutes, we'll dump your second box in there. We'll run both of them and send the material back to you. Why don't you start dumping it in, just a little bit at a time. Dump the whole box and throw it all in there. So we're really going to be loading her up. The unit's processing basically both boxes within about 3 minutes. And here's your material coming out. What I'm going to do is stop the video, let it all roll through, then I'll restart it and just show what the end product looks like. Here's your material that we ran. It's 36 pounds of materials actually inside the bin here. So it's 36 pounds. We weighed it on our scale here. I'm going to send you the material. We did this with a 4 millimeter screen, so you need to look at your particle size, because maybe a 5 will do the same, and you'll get a little more throughput from it. It took, to run the 36 pounds here, it took a little over 20 minutes, closer to 25 minutes to run this, so your throughput dropped from a normal, say 260 pounds with a 6 or 8 millimeter screen down to basically 100 pounds an hour with the 4 millimeter screen. So throughput really dropped with the screen size and your material. So we're going to bag this up. We'll send it off to you. And then also just think about a 5mm screen, which might be the happy balance between your prior material and this material to help improve your throughput.